Are you on break?
Yeah,
lunch break?
actually I'm done for the day.
Oh, are you?
Kasi maaga ako pumasok eh.
Oh, yeah?
Okay.
Oh, sa ba?
Ha?
Oh, sa Mr.
Oo nga.
6 o'clock?
No, I came in at like 4 in the morning.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Pero fun na every now and then. Yeah, every now and then. Oh, gusto
Is
na.
that your regular okay?
Yeah, regular hours ko maaga, pero balance next time.
Oh, okay.
Kung maaga naman, tapos late. Minsan, flexible naman eh, decide to work from home.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so, it happens na maaga ako ngayon, kinuha ko yung sipa. Nakita ko talaga.
What are you doing here?
O, galing kayo sa bakasyon?
Yeah, went to LA.
Talaga?
We just got back yesterday.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, sabi nga niya, nasa Hearst Castle kayo the other day.
Yeah.
Saturday? Basta Saturday?
Friday.
Friday. Kasi meron kaming friend from Corona. Nasa Hearst Castle Saturday. Pero nag-stay sa amin overnight. Ng Saturday night tsaka Sunday night.
Oh,
Kapunta
okay.
umalis. So, yun.
Have you been there?
Yeah, I've been there.
Yeah.
Alam mo, maganda na nga raw yung kanilang mga buses, yung shuttle going up. Mga bago na ngayon. Before,
Even the nice visitor center.
yeah. Alam mo, before yung kagaya ng yung swimming pool, indoor swimming pool, dati-dati yata, ayun eh, kasama sa tour, ngayon yata pwede ka na mag-roam around.
Because that's where the bus picks you up by the
Yeah.
by the enclosed pool.
That's good.
Saka yung pool upstairs.